the seal on it. They're going to put their warrant, ma'am. So please don't interfere with this.
This is private property. What is this?
We have a legal document. We have a search warrant. They're going to execute it, and they're going to start now.
But what is the authority? By what authority do you have to come on private property?
The search warrant gives us that authority, ma'am.
No, it doesn't.
Yes,
Not
it
on
does.
private property,
Okay.
unless there's a crime. Please state the crime in which we've committed.
You have the documentation.
No, I don't. I don't see a crime. A code does not apply to private property. This is private property. You're committing
You folks can get started.
short of a crime.
You folks can get started.
You cannot issue a warrant. Short of a
They're going to
crime.
get started, ma'am.
Short of a crime, you cannot issue a warrant. What crime did we commit? I need to know the crime, sir. Please identify yourself. You are an administrative agency. Administrative codes and policies do not apply to private property. Short of a crime, you have no business being here. Where's the harmed party? We need a harmed party. Carol Colamingo of your department cannot be a harmed party. We need an affidavit of oath or affirmation that harm or injury has occurred. Without an affidavit of probable cause, you cannot be here. Where's the affidavit of probable cause?
It's in there.
No, it's not. There's no affidavit of probable cause that harm has occurred. This is private property. We need an affidavit of probable cause that harm has occurred. Who's the victim? Who's the victim?
This is these
Carol
pages here.
works for you.
I understand.
She cannot be the judge, jury, and prosecutor.
No, she
There
just ha-
needs to-
she's just,
she
she's
is-
just having a look to
she's-
determine
She
if they're in
is
compliance.
performing
Her
you
duties.
have that's a duty on private property. Your duty is a public administration. You deal with the public. Is this public property? You're wrong.
Okay, that's fine then. Take
This-
whatever
I
action
need
you
to
want
take
take.
your name
Yeah, he already got my name.
I need
If
your
All
name.
of our names are in there. You'll get
because
them
you
on
will
our-
all be cited in a 42 USC 1983 deprivation of rights claim.
Sounds good.
Okay? Every single one of you. Every single one of you. You have no probable cause. There's no harm party. On private property, there needs to be a substantial relationship to public health, safety, and welfare. Without probable cause that harm, injury, or damage has occurred. You cannot be here.
Okay, can I explain? Give me-
I understand your position.
Okay, no, I don't think you do understand mine. So let me be clear. Carol and her boss are with the Waterways and Wetlands Department.
Yes.
They want to have a look. I'm an investigator with our Office of Chief Counsel. They asked me to coordinate having police here due to their safety.
Their safety.
Yeah,
What
due-
about
due-
our
due to-
safety?
Well, we're
What
we're
about
fine.
our safety?
So-
You
so-
send armed agents to our property while our kids are out playing with no crime. There's no crime here.
I don't-
Unless a crime
Well-
has occurred, you have no business being here. Unless there is a victim, a man or woman that signed this affidavit, they've been harmed, injured, or damaged by us, you have no business being here. This is a deprivation of rights issue. You will be in federal court.
Okay.
I'm letting you know.
That's fine. That's fine. I
She
get
will be
paid
there.
well.
She's been here many times. We've been nice to her.
I
We
understand.
told her she's
I was
trespassing.
here
I'm
last
just letting
year.
you know.
I was here last
You
year.
need to be aware of your authority. You don't have authority on private property. There's
I was
no
here
crime.
last year.
Where's
you,
the victim?
You and I talked. You, me, and you.
And I
last-
informed you of the enumerated powers of
again-
administrative
But
agencies.
again,
This is
at-
private
at
property.
that time, I was providing you documentation.
You need to go back to your administrative agencies and understand your authority.
If we
It
didn't have
is not a
authority, the
private-
judge wouldn't have signed the warrant. I mean,
That
that's
there's
not what
the judge is also going to be in federal court. You cannot issue a warrant without a crime. This is not public property. Do you understand? Public administration.
They were.
Do you understand?
They were asked
You
to
are
leave.
an administrative agency.
Yeah.
Your
I'm-
jurisdiction, do you understand what jurisdiction is?
Yes.
Okay? Jurisdiction is over public health, safety, and welfare. This is not public property. There's no delineated, designated wetlands here. This is not delineated federal property.
I don't know. I'm not.
I'm telling you,
I
you
understand.
need to know because y'all are going to be in trouble. I've been nice. I have not filed a federal case against you guys, but I will now.
Okay.
And it's a problem for you because I tried to inform them of their authority and their jurisdiction. You are a public agency. You have no jurisdiction on private property. There's no victim here. In order for you, you are public, we are private. A private man or woman needs to file an oath or affirmation affidavit that they've been harmed, injured, or damaged due to us. That's not present here. That's a problem. Carol works for you. She's not a victim. You cannot issue a warrant for private property. You need to know this because this is a problem, and more people like us are learning our rights. You cannot just infringe upon our rights whenever you so please. You have no evidence, no victim. You have nothing.
Yeah,
You have nothing. You have no leg to stand on. Do you understand? You have no authority here. Private property. We have a fundamental right to private property, do as we so please, without your fucking permission. And I'm sorry to curse, but she's been a thorn in my side for 3